Why do most people don't reach to their true potential? And it has nothing to do with talent. Have you ever met somebody who's very talented with right opportunities, perfect background and intelligence, पर तब भी उन्होंने कुछ बड़ा नहीं किया? And then you see someone who is average in background, average in intelligence, yet they are winning at life. So the question is, अगर talent problem नहीं है, तो फिर problem है कहाँ? And today I will tell you the 6 reasons why people do not unleash their true potential. And trust me, talent is not even in the list. I am Christina, the author of Power of First Impressions, Mastery to Influence, Inspire, and Succeed. I have worked with students, professionals, and entrepreneurs, and I have noticed this pattern again and again that the most talented people are most stuck, and the people who are less gifted on paper are the ones who are moving. Potential does not die due to lack of talent. It dies silently because of mindset, conditioning, and fear. The very first reason why people don't unleash their potential is they are addicted to their comfort zone. People think that comfort zone gives you comfort. No, comfort zone does not gives you comfort. In fact, it is about predictability. हम सब predictable environment में comfortable feel करते हैं. लोग pain से नहीं डरते, लोग uncertainty से डरते हैं. Your current life may not be very exciting. It might be boring even. Yet because it is known to you, you are leading it. And where your potential lies is unknown. And that is why it scares people. A capable person can still stay in a mediocre job, just thinking कि सैलरी तो हर महीने आ रही है, रिस्क लेने की क्या जरूरत है, या फिर लोग क्या कहेंगे. Reason number 2, why you don't unleash your best potential. And that is the fear of judgment which we have is greater than the desire to growth. लोग फेलियर से उतना नहीं डरते जितना ये डरते हैं कि लोग जज करेंगे. अगर हम ट्राई करेंगे तो लोग क्या बोलेंगे, क्योंकि हम लोग को अपने आप को स्टैब्लिश्ड प्रूव करना होता है, ना कि ट्राइंग न्यू थिंग्स. सम ऑफ अस वांट टू स्पीक कॉन्फिडेंटली, बिल्ड अ ब्रांड, स्टार्ट अ न्यू थिंग, but still we don't do that, just thinking कि लोग judge करेंगे. Reason number 3, why people don't live up to their best potential, and that is they have average thinking in extraordinary world. आपका potential lie करता है extraordinary में, पर आपकी thinking borrowed है. कहाँ से? आपके पेरेंट्स से, आपके फ्रेंड्स से, सोसाइटी से, जो कि बहुत ही एवरेज थिंकिंग है. लोग क्या कहेंगे कल्चर, और ज्यादातर लोग जो इस कल्चर को फॉलो करते हैं वो अपनी लाइफ अपने तरीके से नहीं जी रहे होते, वो अपनी लाइफ इंस्ट्रक्शंस को फॉलो करते हुए जी रहे हैं. सो सिंपल कैलकुलेशन है, इफ यू आर गोइंग टू लिव अकॉर्डिंग टू द थिंकिंग ऑफ अदर पीपल who are living an average life, ultimately you will also lead an average life. इसलिए अगर extraordinary results चाहिए तो फिर unpopular thinking को अपनाइए. Reason number 4 कि लोग अपने best potential को unleash क्यों नहीं करते, क्योंकि ज्यादातर high potential लोग overthinking करते हैं. They keep on thinking deeply and widely instead of acting. Will see all possibilities, all risks, and all consequences, and that obstructs them to act. Whereas people who might not have that much of high potential, they act when needed, और इसीलिए उनको results मिल जाते हैं. आपका दिमाग जितना तेज होता है और जितना फास्ट होता है, आपकी लाइफ को वो ओवरथिंक करके उतना ही स्लो बना देता है. Always remember, somebody can think for whole of their life and do nothing, and there is another person who may start imperfectly, and on the way they start learning and doing things perfectly. और fifth reason है identity lag. When you want to outgrow your present life, you have to take up a new identity, and there are people who do not want to do this. क्यों? क्योंकि ये uneasy feel कराता है. लोगों को लगता है कि I am a good girl, I am a safe boy, I am a nice person. इन सारे टैग्स को हमें लाइफ टाइम के लिए लेकर चलना है, जबकि ऐसा नहीं है. When you grow, when you succeed, you need to change your identity. You need to get into the new role. So for that, you have to leave the things which are from the past. And this is important. You can't reach the next level while protecting your older self. The last reason कि हम में से बहुत सारे लोग अपनी लाइफ को बेस्ट पोटेंशियल पे नहीं जी पाते, वो है that we wait for being confident instead of building confidence. We always think that something will happen and then we are going to have confidence, whereas the truth is action never follows the confidence. Confidence आपके action को follow करता है, ना कि other way around. हमेशा आपको action पहले करना है and उसका result होता है confidence. So act first and then only you will be confident. And let me tell you, every confident person you admire at present was actually unsure about themselves, but still they moved. These were the 6 reasons why people cannot live up to their best potential. Let's do a quick recap. Reason 1, comfort zone addiction. Just leave it. Don't follow predictability, start building. The second one, fear of judgment. The next is average thinking. Average thinking को convert करिए unpopular thinking में. The next is overthinking instead of action. Act more, think less. Fifth one, attachment to old identity. And the last one is waiting for confidence. Don't wait for it, create it. Your potential is not missing. It is just buried under fear, conditioning, and hesitation. And the moment you decide to live consciously, think clearly, speak better, and carry yourself better, you just don't change your life, you unleash it. If this video resonated with you, share it with somebody whom you think has immense potential, but still they do not know it, but still they don't see it.